Hey everyone, so today I am making roasted cauliflower soup. You will need half of an onion, 3 garlic cloves, thyme, sea salt, olive oil, and 1 celery stalk. First, I chopped up the cauliflower into cauliflower steaks. Then I placed it onto a sheet pan and lined it with parchment paper. Now I'm taking the extra virgin olive oil and I'm going to drizzle about a tablespoon all over the cauliflower. Now I'm sprinkling about 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Now you're going to set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and you're going to place your cauliflower into the oven and roast it for about an hour. In the meantime, I chopped the celery and the onion. An hour has passed and the roasted cauliflower is ready. Now in a large saucepan over medium heat, heat up the pan and you're going to drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil. Now add in your celery and onions into the pan. Now add in your minced garlic. Mix thoroughly and cook the onions until translucent. Now add in your roasted cauliflower into the pan. Also add in your thyme. You're going to mix everything well and cook the cauliflower until it's tender, and add some water to help speed up the process. After your cauliflower is tender, now it's time to add it into your blender. You have to add about 4 cups of water total into the blender in order for your cauliflower to blend and turn into soup. You can add more water for your desired consistency for your soup, and also add more sea salt for taste.